Hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Are you there? Hello. 7 to 9. 7 to 8. Is this Kian? Oh, hello. Good evening, Kian.
Rotate.
Hello. Good evening, and welcome again to our class. Wow, you look good today.
Ngantay.
You look very handsome today. I can see that you have a new haircut.
Gặp cuộc đâu.
You look so good. How are you today? Are you happy?
Chứ ai mà bên này đây.
Oh no, wait. Oh, okay. How are you today, Kiet? Are you happy? Are you happy today?
Hello.
How are you?
Quay lên học bài đi.
Các bạn có biết hồi đâu?
How are you today, Kian?
I'm
Are you
fine.
I'm fine. Thank you. Very good. So are you happy today? Happy or sad?
No.
Oh no. Happy. How about happy? Are you happy today?
Happy. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say, yes, I'm happy.
Yes. Happy.
Okay, very good. So good job. Good to know that you are happy today. So are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Ready? Ready. Yes or no? Mm, are you ready? No? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start or let's continue our lesson for today. So we talk about feelings. Feelings. So again, to review, Kian feelings is happy, sad. What are our feelings? So let's review the feelings that we have last time. So let's take a look at this Tom. What feeling is this? Is she happy or sad? Happy or sad?
Các bạn nào thấy to thì tiền. Chết nhỉ?
Yes, happy. Very good. She
Happy.
is happy. Nice. Are you happy today? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Next. Next feeling that we have here. What feeling is this? Hmm,
Sad.
sad. Very good. This is sad. Are you sad today, Kian? Oh,
No.
okay. Let's say, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Very good. Next. Next feeling. What is this feeling? What is this feeling? It's
Ah!
okay, very good. Hot. Are you hot today, Kian? Are you hot?
No.
Okay, let's say no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Very good. Next. So let's have here. Oh, this one. What?
No.
Cold. Very good. Are you cold today? Are you cold today?
No.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, one more time. Are you cold today? Ken?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Are yes,
Yes, I know.
okay, wow, very good. One more time. Are you sad today, Ken? Are you sad? No.
Ồ, trên đây với con.
Are are you sad today, Ken? Are you sad today?
No!
No, I'm
Not!
okay. No, I'm not. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Very good. Nice. So that is how we answer a yes or no. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Very good. So
No,
next.
I'm not.
Okay, very good. Next. What is this feeling?
Hungry.
Hungry. Very good. Hungry. Um, are you hungry, Kian? Are you hungry?
No!
Very good. No, I'm not. Okay, one more time. Let's say I'm. No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, perfect. So not I'm. Okay, so very good. So next, let's move on to our next feeling.
Water.
Yes, this is water. What do we feel if we need water? We are thirst.
The birthday.
Okay, wow, very good, Kian. You have a good memory. So now, are you thirsty, Kian? Are you thirsty? Yes or no? Or
No!
no, I'm.
Not.
Okay, very good. Again, are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
Okay, wow, very good. Next. Oh, okay, so we have this activity before. So now let's again review the sentence pattern.
Goodbye, teacher.
Oh, goodbye, teacher. It's still early. We still have 32 minutes. Okay, let's have this one. Let's say, I'm happy. Goodbye, teacher. Let's say, I'm happy.
Happy.
I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. Let's say, are you happy?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher. Are you happy today, Ken?
Goodbye, teacher.
A goodbye, teacher. No. Are you happy today, Ken?
I
Yes.
happy.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm
Yes, I happy.
okay. I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. Um, are you sad today?
No,
No,
not.
I'm not sad. Let's say no, I'm not sad.
No, I'm not sad.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, very good. So next, let's move on to our next sentence pattern here. So we have here, okay, how do we answer? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Mm, Ken, are you happy? No? Ken, are you still there? Are you happy, Ken? Are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Hmm. Mm, are you
Yeah.
happy? Oh, yes. Let's say, yes, I am. Yes, yes. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, I. Ye-
Am.
Okay, let's say again. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, one more time. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes, what? Yes, I.
Yes, I.
Yes, I am. Okay, let's say. Oh, okay, take your time. Oh, are you finished? Okay. I can't see you. Oh no, where are you? What is that? Is that a pencil?
Zo,
Yes.
zo, zo.
Zo, zo, zo. Okay, next. Mm, Tien, are you sad? Are you sad? No. Are you sad, Kien? No. I'm. Hello?
Zo.
Kien, are you sad? Are you sad? Are you sad? Are you sad? Yes or no? Hello? Are you still there?
Are you happy? No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not happy? You're not happy? Oh no. Okay, one more time. Are you sad, Ken?
Are you sad?
Yes or no? What are you doing? Yes or no? Okay. Hello, Ken. Are you still there? 9 p.m. Hello, Ken. Hello? You're back. Okay, one more time. Are you sad, Ken? Are you sad? Yes or no? Are you sad?
No!
No, I'm.
No!
Okay, very good. Don't shout. Teacher is teacher. Don't shout. Teacher will become deaf. Your voice is loud. So you can say it in a low voice. No, I'm not. Okay, very good. Good job. So don't shout. Teachers wears a headset. It's loud in here. Okay, so next. So let's practice. Teacher. Yes. Why why sit? 9:30, 8:30. Okay. So let's listen here to the sound that we have again. And after that, we will answer this one. Okay, let me just open. Hear the sound. Mm, what is this one? Unit 1. Oh, where is the sound? Where is the sound? Why is it number 1? Unit 1. Okay, let's listen. Oh, what is it?
Ask and answer. Then practice.
Are you happy?
Page 5. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
No, I'm not. 1,
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
2,
Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Are you sad?
Yes, I am.
3,
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
4,
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
5,
Are you cold?
Yes.
6,
Are you
No, I'm not.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so again, let's listen to number 1, Ken. And let's answer it by ourselves.
practice. Yes, I am.
Are you happy?
1,
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's take a look at number 1, Ken. Let's take a look at this boy. Are you happy? Are you happy? Look at the boy. Is he happy? Yes or no? Hello, Ken? Ken, are you there? Why are you not answering? Hello, hello? Hello? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, Ken? Hello, Ken? Ken? Are you there? Okay, let's take a look at number 1, Ken. Is the boy happy? Yes or no?
Yes, I
Yes.
am.
Yes, I am. Very good. Next, let's take a look at the girl. Number 2, let's listen to number 2.
2,
Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
2,
Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Okay, for number 2, Kian. Let's take a look at the girl. Is the girl happy? Hello? Hello, Kian? Hello? Hello? Okay, let's take a look at the girl. Look at the picture, Kian. Look at the picture. Is she happy? Yes or no? Look at the girl. Are you happy? No, no, no. Or yes, yes, yes. Hello, Kien? Kien, is the girl happy? Do you think the girl is happy? Kien, do you think the girl is happy?
No, I'm not.
Okay, wow, very good. Good job. So, no, I'm not. So, next, number 3.
Are you sad? Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
Are you sad?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. So let's go back to this girl, Kian. Are you sad or is the girl sad? Yes or no? Is the girl sad? Is the girl sad? Yes, 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 or no, no, no. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Is the girl sad, Ken? Are what do you think? Is the girl sad? Yes or no? Or yes and no? Is the girl sad? Can, can, can. Is the girl sad? Can? Is the girl sad? Do you think the girl is sad? Yes or no?
No.
Huh? Are you sure? Look at the picture. So the girl is like this. The girl is like this. Is she sad? The girl? Yes, I am. Okay, let's say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Wow, very good. You are a good singer. Okay, so next, let's listen to number 3.
3,
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so based on the sound that we had listened, is the
Are
girl
you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
hungry?
Are
Are
you
you
hungry?
hungry? Yes
I
or no?
know. Are you
Yes.
hungry? Yes,
Are
I know. Are
yes,
you
I am.
hungry? Are you
Yes,
hungry? Are you hungry?
hungry
Yes,
are you?
I know. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes,
Yes,
I
I am.
know.
Yes or no? Let's say, yes, I am. Are you
Are you
hungry?
hungry?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
am.
am.
Are you hungry? Yes, I am.
Hungry, hungry. Yes, I am. Hungry, hungry. Yes,
Yes,
I am.
I am. Okay, wow, good.
Hungry. Yes, I am. Hungry.
Hungry.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. So next, let's go to number 4.
4,
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Okay, number 4, Ken. Are you hungry?
Thirsty.
No, I'm not.
Not.
Are
Are
you
you hungry?
hungry?
No,
No,
I'm
I'm
not.
not. Are
Are
you
you hungry?
hungry?
No,
No,
I'm
I'm not.
not.
Are
Are
you?
you hungry? No,
No,
I'm
I'm.
not.
Oh,
Are you hungry? No, I'm not. Are
are
you
you?
hungry? No,
No,
I'm
I'm not. Okay, so next, number 4. We are still in number
Are
4.
you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so now let's sing. Are you
thirsty.
thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Oh, yes, I am.
I
Are
do
you
thirsty.
thirsty?
Yes,
Yes.
I am. Are
Are
you
you
thirsty?
thirsty?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
am. Are
are.
you thirsty? Yes, I am. Are
Are
you
you
thirsty?
thirsty?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
am.
are.
Are you
You thirsty?
thirsty? Yes, I am.
Wow, very good. Wow, good
Um,
job. Oh, hello, Tom. Good evening, and welcome again to our class.
so,
Good evening, Tom. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm
How are
happy.
I'm happy. Wow. Are you sad? Are you sad?
Said
No.
no.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay, so before we continue this lesson, let's have a quick review because um, Kian and I are having an activity. So let's first review the sentence pattern that we have before. So this one, let's read this first. Are you happy? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay, very good. So we answer this question by yes or no. So if we are happy, we will answer yes. Yes, I am. Okay. And yes, very good, Tom. And for this one, the next one, if we are not happy right now, our answer is no. So we will say, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. So when we are happy right now, our answer is yes. We will say, yes, I am. If no, no, I'm not. Okay?
That I am. No, I'm not.
Okay, very good, Tom. So now teacher has a question for you. Are you happy, Tom? Are you happy? Yes. Yes, I. Okay, very good. Yes, I am. Very good. One more time. Are you happy?
That I am.
Very good. Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to our activity. So let's start again this activity to number 1. Okay,
Happy?
Yes, I am. 1,
number 1.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay, for number 1. So let's take a look at this boy. Is this boy happy? Yes or no?
That I am.
Yes, I am. Very good. Yes, I am. Number 2.
2,
Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Are you sad?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's take a look at this girl, Ken and Tom. Is she happy or are you happy? Is the girl happy?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Are you sad?
That I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. So next, let's go to number 3.
3,
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
4,
Okay, number 3. Are you hungry?
That I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. Number 4.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Okay, for number 4. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Very good. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty?
That I am.
Okay, very good. So yes, I am. Because as we can see here in the picture, so the girl needs to drink a juice, an orange juice. That means she is thirsty. She needs to drink something. Okay, very good.
Are you thirsty?
Are you
Yes.
thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Number 5.
5,
Are you cold?
Yes, I am.
Okay, number 5. Let's take a look at the boy. Is he cold? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Are you
That
cold?
I am.
Yes, I am. Very good. So the boy is cold. Next, let's have number 6.
6,
Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so this boy in number 6. Are you cold? Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Okay, no, I'm not. Are you thirsty? Are you
No, I'm
thirsty?
not.
No, I'm not. Are you hot?
That I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. Because as we can see here, there is a sun. So that means it is very hot. So very good. So
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye, teacher. We still have 1 minute and 1 minute. We still have 9 minutes. Okay, so this is how we answer. Are you? Then what is the feeling? So for example, Tom and Ken, are you happy?
That I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. So instead of answering just yes, we answer yes, 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 I am. How about are you sad? Are you sad?
No, I am. No, I'm not.
Very good. So no, I'm not. Yes, I am, and no, I'm not. So good job. Okay, so now let's read the sentence that we have here. Can you read this one, Tom and Ken? Are you? Are
Are you
you?
happy? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you cold? Yes, I am. I am.
Okay, very good. Next.
Are you happy? No, I'm not. Are you sad? Yes, I am.
Okay, one more time. Let's say this word happy. Happy.
Happy.
Okay, cold.
Close.
Okay, perfect. Okay, next. Number 4.
Are you hungry? No, I. No, I. No. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. So are you hungry? No, I'm not. You thirsty? Yes, I am. Next, last one is
Are you cold? No, I'm not. Are you hot? Yes, I am.
out. Okay, very good. So remember that is how we answer what we are feeling right now. So we answer it by yes, I am, and no, I'm not. Okay? Okay.
That.
Yes. Okay, so let's have another game here. So let's take a look at the boy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes.
That am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am. So we shouldn't answer only yes. We answer yes, I am. So next.
Am.
Very good. Very good, Tom. So next. Next one. Oh, this girl. Are you happy?
No, I'm not. No,
Okay.
I'm not.
Perfect. No, I'm not. So next. Are you sad?
No, I'm not.
Not, not this girl? Are you sure?
I'm not sad.
This one, this girl. This girl in the picture.
I sad.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
I.
I am.
Very good. So next. Let's move on to this girl. This girl. Are you hungry?
Let I am. I am.
Okay, very good. Next. Okay. Next one. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Very good. No, I'm not. Are you, let's move on to the next one. Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am. Okay, so next. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
The boy is like this. So meaning,
Yes, I
okay, very good. Yes, I
am.
am. Okay, very good to the both of you. So next, this one. Are you cold? Hmm? Oh, this one. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Are you hot?
Yes, I
Okay,
am. Yes, I am.
okay, very good. So good job, good job. So next, let's take a look at this picture. Let's go to this boy. This boy, take a look at the boy. Is the boy happy?
Happy.
Happy.
I am.
Yes, I am. Very good. So you will say, yes, I am.
Yes,
Next.
I am.
Okay, next. Okay. Are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Are you hot?
No, I'm not.
Are, are you cold?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good.
I am.
Okay, very good. Are you sad?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Next, this girl. Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am, because she needs water. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Very good. So next, are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
Okay, next.
Not.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Okay, nice, nice. Are you sad?
No, no, I'm not.
Wow, very good,
No,
very good.
I'm not.
Okay. Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
No, I.
I'm not.
Okay, wow, very good. How about are you happy today, Tom and Ken?
Yes, yes, I am.
Very good. How about Tom? Are you happy, Tom?
Yes, I am.
Huh? What did you say? Huh? Are you happy, Tom? Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Are you happy? Are you happy, Tom? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes. Yes, I am. Okay, very good. So perfect. So I think this will be the end of our lesson, Tom and Ken. So for this lesson, I can see that you both did a very job well done because in our previous lesson, oh, why are you crying? What happened? Why is Ken crying? Are you sad right now? Oh no. What happened, Ken? It's okay. Okay, so it's the end of our lesson right now. So you can now both rest, okay? So you did a great job. You both did a great job, Ken and Tom, because I can see that you can very much you learn how to use yes I am and no I'm not. So teacher is very happy. So thank you and goodbye, Tom and Ken. So Ken so Ken said bye bye first. Goodbye. Thank you very much, Tom. See you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.